IPL Carnival continues. Well, we have to give the fans everything that they want, and we're only going to give them more fun. The Super Sixes is coming your way. I have with me HD. HD, take us through the rules first.
Well, they're pretty simple, Archie. In that each team gets 12 deliveries. There's a maximum of 3 players that are allowed. They can just, construct it over exactly the way they want to. Some can have 2, some can have 4 deliveries. They're allowed 2 practice hits, and then it's away. Whoever hits the biggest 6 wins the battle.
Well, the ball is a little bit different too here, isn't it? It's not like a normal cricket ball.
It is. It's like an oversized golf ball. It is yellow. It looks nothing like a cricket ball. The reason it's why it is like that is because it just protects the wheels inside the bowling machine. I don't think we'll see the 6s that we've seen a guy like Chris Gale over 100 metres just yet, because the ball doesn't go as far. It's a little bit lighter, and hence we probably see someone like David Miller, who's leading the competition, 83 metres being a big one. Mr. Russell, you're up first. This is a biggie. Miller's under pressure. There's no doubt about it. That is large. That is large. 99 metres, you little beauty. Marlon, backing yourself to win this one? Definitely. High in the air. Who's underneath it? Safe. Roscoe, this ball tough to hit.
But I think this is more question than the game.
But you guys play against this kind of bowling machine every day.
Yeah, it looks like it's holding just a touch, so we'll see what happens.
So it's not Morne Morkel dishing them up there.
I've got no arm guard on, so I better not.
Good luck. He's got all of that one. That'll go all the way. I don't think it's going to beat 99 metres though. Whoa!
Right.
Luke Wright, the man from Sussex. Ball going in. This will be a quick one. Straight again. This one is middle. He likes it. Oh my word, that's huge. That's a biggie. That's a biggie. Oh, Pune going to have a winner tonight.
Is that going to be better than Andre Russell's 99? Well, let's take a look at the big screen.
We have a tie.
We have a tie.
Callum Ferguson. There we go. There we go. That's a little better. We'll have a measure of that one.
99 metres. Right, so we have a tie. Andre Russell and Luke Wright at 99, and Ross Taylor, of course, in third place. That was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Good night and goodbye.
Well, welcome back out here to Eden Gardens. We've got the Super Sixes show underway. Bipul Sharma's gonna start us off. You're gonna go in the middle there. You can have a look at a couple, and then it's the real thing. See how far you can hit it. There we go! That's out of here. Bipul Sharma's hit a 6, so he's qualified. 73 metres. A man who needs no introduction. I know you don't want to talk about today's game, but how far are you going to hit it? Take out some frustration on this ball here, yeah? Let's see. Here we go. Yusuf Pathan, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for coming out and having a go in the Super Sixes. There we go! That's over the ropes. Carl Abbott from South Africa. He's a renowned big hitter. Good luck out there, Carl. And he's had his 2 looks. Oh! We got DB Das now coming in. There we go! That's the biggest of the night. 81 meters. Mr. Miller.
That's me.
How are you feeling? I'm sensing you're a bit nervous.
Yeah, a little bit nervous, but I'm looking forward to it.
Here we go. 4 balls remaining in the Super Sixes show. Oh, the long on! Now, ooh. Is it bigger? I think it's going to be very close. 81 meters. Have a look. It's 83. A double win tonight here at the Gardens for the Kings 11 Punjab.
Okay, so we're on our way with the Super Sixes Challenge. I hope everyone in the audience is ready to catch a few high balls. Well, it's two teams. Both teams have sent 3 players out. Objective's pretty simple. Just plant the ball hard.
And they've got somewhere to go, Gaurav, really do, because there's 2 guys who are sitting on 99 meters at the moment. Andre Russell from the Delhi Daredevils, from Jamaican boy, hit the ball 99 meters, and Luke Wright, the Englishman from the Pune Warriors India, they level pegging. But I've got a sneaky feeling tonight it's going to go 100 meters.
You think it's going to go 100 meters today?
It is. It's a tough one with a little orange ball. It's lighter. It's got dimples on it. Doesn't travel as far as the cricket ball. But we've got some big waves here today.
Yeah, we do. And some of them are in form there. They're in unfair advantage, isn't it, for Dwayne Smith?
Well, he's going to go last. So he is. He has got an unfair advantage, but he only hit 4s at the back end to win the game. These guys have got to hit it off the ground.
Just 4s. We're going to have 6s here. So if everybody in the crowd is ready to catch a few high balls, I think from the Chennai Super Kings, we have Scotty Styris going first.
He's got a lot of that. He's gone straight. Similar to Luke Wright. Has he hit it as far?
89!
He's got this. This is big. This is the number. Oh my word, we may have a winner.
Mumbai, do you think this is 100 meters?
Comfortably. Comfortably. Oh. Good swing. Over but rickety goes. It's not going to be long enough, but it is big.
My guess is 93.
Now the first tier there is definitely in the 90s. Oh my word, this is it. I'm king this one. He got the cheer. It's right up there. This might be the number.
I know that Virat Kohli is watching this one. Yeah, he's not playing, but let's see if Albie can do the same to the bowling machine. Is what he did down at the Chinnaswamy. Oh, beauty!
Here it is. Here's your winner. Here's your
That's it.
winner. He knows straight away. Oh! There it is.
Come on, Mumbai. Let's show some love to Dwayne Smith this evening.
That's clean. Let me tell you, that's got a real chance. Oh, that has got a real chance.
Let's put it up on the big screen. Oh. So the record
105.
to Albie Moko for 105. Well played, Albie Moko. Big round of applause to Albie Moko, ladies and gentlemen. Well, thank you so much, HD. From HD and from me, Gaurav Kapoor. It's goodbye. We'll see you on another Super Sixes Challenge.